Here are the LeakLocks bottle skins. I grabbed one out now. It comes in 2 reds and 2 greens is the one I got. Okay, so you can see it's really flexible. It feels like, you know, when you're a kid and you get the 25-cent like goop, it almost feels kind of like that. Okay, so I put one on this wine bottle that we used. It's got a little bit of wine in it. It goes on pretty easily, and it's like, I will say this is very sealed. Like, I don't think any air is getting into this, and I think it's also kind of got a little bit of a sticky, so I think it might even stick to the bottle pretty easily, but I think this is gonna do the trick for this. And you know, with the shape, it can kind of form to any shape, so really any bottle that you're wanting to seal and keep the air out of, it can stretch pretty wide. And yeah, so yeah, I think it's gonna keep that in there, keep it fresh, and I hope this helps you on your shopping journey.